Dear students, today I am going to tell you a story number 6 from the book A Pact with the Sun. A Pact with the Sun for class 6. This story is taken from Panchtantra. ये कहानी पंचतंत्र से ली गई. Let me tell you this story. What is this story? The title of this story is The Monkey and the Crocodile. The Monkey and the Crocodile. A monkey was there living on a tree. A monkey was there, and on the bank of a river a tree was there, and monkey lived in that tree, and he lived happily there. He got fruits from the tree, but he had no companion. He had no friend. उसका कोई मित्र नहीं था वहाँ. Suddenly one day he saw a crocodile. That is a crocodile appeared on the river side. Just he asked, "Hello," said the monkey, "do you live in this river?" क्या तुम इस नदी में रहते हो? "Would you like to eat some fruits?" Monkey asked crocodile. "Would you like to eat some fruits?" Then crocodile said politely, "Good morning. I did come here in search of food. मैं यहाँ कुछ भोजन की तलाश में आया हूँ for myself and also my wife. अपने लिए भी और अपने पत्नी के लिए भी. Then what happened? Nice of you to offer me fruit. Yes, very good. You are going to offer me some fruits. The monkey plucked some fruits from the tree, branches of tree, and threw down. The crocodile found them delicious. They were delicious fruits. He ate and also thanked him. Crocodile thanked the monkey. धन्यवाद दिया फलों के लिए. Then he said, "May I have some on my next visit? Next day, may I have some fruits?" "Surely, certainly," the monkey said. Yes, you can. Many as you like, and some for your wife also." The monkey said, "Do come again, and I am rather lonely here. I live here alone. I am lonely here. So you will come, you will be my friend, and I will give you fruits." The crocodile visited the monkey regularly. The crocodile came there and ate fruits and also took some fruits for his wife. One day, the crocodile stayed longer than usual. एक दिन थोड़ा लेट हो गया अन्य दिन से. उस दिन थोड़ा लेट हो गया, longer than usual. His wife was annoyed, grew angry, नाराज हो गई उसकी पत्नी. "Why you are coming so late? How I have managed the little crocodiles." छोटे छोटे बच्चों को कैसे उसने मैनेज किया है. So she grew angry. Then she asked, "Who is this friend of yours? You are so fond of you. Who is this friend? जिसके तुम इतने शौकीन हो, ये कौन है?" Then crocodile said, "Oh, he is my good friend. He lives in a fruit tree." एक fruit tree है वहाँ जहाँ वो रहता है, where he lives, and a fruit tree is there. He sends fruits for you every day. This monkey, my friend, sends fruits for you every day. You don't expect me to climb trees. I'm not able to climb on the tree. My friend's monkey gives fruits. A nice monkey. Just see, expressed what? Nice monkey. Then replied the wife with obvious sarcasm, "If you ask me, this monkey should be my food." Just she wished to, that is, eat the monkey, and this monkey will be my food. I want to eat his heart so much. It is my wish to eat the heart of this monkey. इस बंदर का हृदय मैं खाना चाहती हूँ. It is my wish. First of all, crocodile rejected it. He did not like this. What was the offer? What was the wish of his wife? But later on, he agreed. अंत में crocodile agree हो गया. ठीक है, अपनी पत्नी के लिए कहा भी ठीक, मैं बंदर को लाऊंगा, इनवाइट करूंगा. Just he went back to the monkey and he invited his monkey to come with him to his wife. Just he said, "My wife has invited you. Come and go with me. हमारे साथ चलो आज." Just he said with pleasure, said the monkey. Just he said with pleasure, I am no swimmer. No, I don't swim. मैं swim नहीं कर तैर नहीं सकता. But I can ride on your back. मैं तुम्हारे पीठ पर बैठ कर चलूँगा. Okay, they set out. They set out from there. In the middle of the river, when the current was very furious, जहाँ करंट बहुत ही स्ट्रांग था, उसने कहा, क्रोकोडाइल ने समझा कि अब मुझे बता देना चाहिए. कुड नॉट हाइड दिस मैटर लॉन्गर, अब छिपा नहीं सकता था. व्हाट वाज हिज इंटेंशन? देन ही सेड, देन क्रोकोडाइल ने मंकी को बता दिया, आई हैव टू गो अंडर वाटर नाउ, जस्ट आई हैव ब्रॉट यू हियर टू किल यू. मैं तुमको लेके आ रहा हूँ और हम तुमको मार देंगे. व्हाई? My wife cannot survive without eating your heart. Just my wife will eat your heart. That's why I'm taking you. Goodbye. The monkey was scared and distressed. For some time, he was very sorry, but he was sensible and clever like other monkeys. अन्य बंदरों जैसे वो भी चतुर था, चालाक था. वो सोचा, he kept a cool head. Politely, calmly he said, I would do anything for you and your family. It is my luck. I am fortunate if you do something for you and for your family. ये तो मेरा भाग्य है कि मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ करता. उसने क्या किया? Just you are my only friend. एकमात्र तुम हमारे दोस्त हो. After all, what is a monkey's heart compared with the life of a crocodile's wife? क्या तुलना है मेरे हृदय से और तुम्हारी ये क्रोकोडाइल की पत्नी से. क्रोकोडाइल जो मेरा मित्र है और उसकी पत्नी और मेरे हृदय में क्या तुलना है? I would have brought, just he said, but how foolish could you be? ये तो तुमने मूर्खता कर दी. How foolish you could be. Why did not you tell me before? पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? पहले क्यों नहीं ये बात बताई हमसे? Tell you before, I would have brought my heart along. I would have brought my heart with me. अपने साथ में अपना हृदय लाया होता. But where is your heart? जब क्रोकोडाइल पूछा कि तुम्हारा हृदय कहाँ है? Asked the crocodile innocently. I thought you carried it all the time with you. हम सोचे कि तुम अपने साथ लेकर चलते हो हमेशा. Then of course not. It is not. It is there on the tree. My heart is on the tree. मेरा हृदय तो पेड़ पर रह गया. पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Let's swim back at once to get it. Return back to get it again. पुनः लौटो, मैं फिर लेकर आऊँगा. Your wife must be waiting. Your wife must be waiting for this, replied the monkey, gaining confidence. Oh dear, what a mistake, hissed the crocodile. Oh dear, what a mistake. They laughed loudly as the crocodile took a full turn to reach the there, and फिर वो मुड़ा और चल दिया वहाँ के लिए. पुनः on the bank of the river, when they reached on the bank of the river, नदी के किनारे जब पहुंचे दोनों, the monkey jumped on to the tree. monkey फौरन कूद गया पेड़ की शाखाओं पर, and then heaved a deep sigh of relief. राहत की सांस ली. And then what happened? You see, he plucked a fruit or two. He plucked some fruits from the tree and threw it to him, to crocodile. crocodile को दे दिया. And he said, took these fruits to your wife. अपने पत्नी को ये फल दे देना. इससे क्या होता है? Throwing them down and said, let your wife have some fruit rather than my heart. हृदय से अच्छा ये फल है, अपने पत्नी को दे देना. Fresh fruits are good for mind and body. ये फ्रेश जो फ्रूट्स हैं, दिमाग और शरीर, both, for both it is good. ये अच्छा है. Fresh fruits are good for mind and body. Goodbye, friend. And if you don't mind, you won't meet again. Won't meet again. फिर मुझसे हम नहीं मिल सकते. तुम फिर यहाँ don't come again. पुनः यहाँ मत आना. The crocodile, sadder and wiser, shed a few tears, and these tears क्या था? Was genuine. Tears were genuine, and turned back to go home. And the crocodile turned back to go home to tell his wife. He was in a hurry to tell his wife a thing or two. This is the end of this story. And just I'm sending all the solutions of this story. I hope you will complete this story. Write in your fair. Okay, thanks.